Chances are you drive an automobile, so what do you do when you go to the insurance agent to get a policy? Many times you've said full coverage. Turns out they had something other than full coverage. My name is Ben Schmitt. I'm an attorney practicing law in Kansas and Missouri. I help clients in personal injury and insurance disputes on a regular basis. What coverage do you need for your automobile? It's really important to consider what might happen to you in determining what coverage might be available to you. Certainly the state mandates certain minimum coverages, liability coverage for example, which means that if you cause a wreck, you're able to pay for somebody else's harm. There's also uninsured motorist coverage, which is mandatory in both Kansas and Missouri, and it's important because what happens if you run into an uninsured motorist? Your own policy responds, and that's how you are paid. Importantly, there is underinsured motorist coverage, mandatory in Kansas, not in Missouri though. So what kind of coverage should you have? What should you buy? No matter what kind of car you drive, consider this. Liability coverage protects you in case you run into someone else. But I really would like for you to consider buying uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage in the maximum amount that you can afford. Why? These coverages protect you. Let's face it, there's lots of drivers running around without any insurance coverage, and even more running around with minimum limits. And if you're injured in a serious accident, that $25,000 minimum limits is not going to take you very far. Why am I telling you this? You have questions about uninsured, underinsured, and other auto liability coverages. I handle cases like this every day. I can help answer your questions. My name is Ben Schmitt. Thank you for watching this video.